Peace to the guys. I want to show y'all something, though, real quick. Peace to the guys and guys of the Planet Kai. Show y'all something real quick. What's going on right now. Peace to the guys and goddesses. We'll let y'all tap in real quick. I want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all something. I'm going to let a few more y'all get in here. I want to show y'all how this second sun is fastly emerging. Peace to the guys and goddesses tapping in real quick. So look, I'm down here on this 33rd parallel, right, y'all? And this isn't, I didn't even intend on going live, all right? But I happen to look in the sky and I see this this second sun emerging, right? So let me show y'all something. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it from y'all end. Check this out. Hold on. Let me show y'all something. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's literally the moon and a planet right in front of it. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that good. Y'all might just be seeing, I don't know if on y'all end what y'all seeing. Y'all might just be seeing the rays of the crescent of the moon. You see this?
Yo.
Do you see that?
Oh yeah.
Can you see the other planet in front of the moon? You see
yes,
it?
sir.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but look though, right? So
my wife said you like
so I want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all that real quick. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see that because these lights so bright right here, right? But you can literally, because the sky clear where I'm at. I'm on this 33rd parallel right now. I'm down here in Atlanta. We got clear skies, you know what I'm saying? Right now. We could, so we can see all the galaxies and planets. You feel me? But I want y'all to see this what's going on right here with this moon. All right, let me zoom out. Let me zoom in, zoom out. All right, y'all see it? Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Do y'all see that clearly? Yeah, if you in Atlanta right now, look out your window. Hey, it's funny, right? Because you can literally see the other planet right in front of the moon. Y'all see that? That's not a normal crescent. Like how when the moon is like a crescent moon, that's not a crescent moon right there. That's a full moon with a planet in front of it. If you in Atlanta right now, look out your window real. See that bitch clearly. Hey, I don't know what they on. You see how they trying to bullshit with the video? But yeah, if you in Atlanta right now, look in your sky. Hey, tell your mama come here real quick. I'm trying to show her something.
Yes, sir.
See, y'all gotta, you know what I'm saying? Then imagine looking at it with the naked eye though. So what I want y'all to know is, we moving closer and closer, right? We rising in dimension, all right? Tomorrow is October 20th. It's very powerful energy on the planet. Can y'all see that planet in front of the moon? If you're in Atlanta, look out your window right now. Or bail out your car, do whatever you need to do. But look out of it. That's not a normal crescent moon. Can y'all see that? If y'all on live, I don't know if y'all can see that as clear as I can see it down here, right? In person, right? But you can literally see that that's a planet in front of the moon. Y'all see that? We in Atlanta right now. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we coming into. And they not gonna put this shit on the news right now. Right now they should be talking about this on the news. They should be saying, why the fuck is it a planet in front of the moon right now? Ain't nobody talking about it right now. You see that? Can you see the planet in front of the moon?
I see the moon in front of the planet.
The moon is the light behind it. Now look at that. You see that?
Oh, it looks like it's in front of it, but yeah, I definitely see it. It's beautiful too.
It's beautiful, but that's not normal though. All right, but yeah. So I want to show y'all this real quick, man. If you in Atlanta, Georgia, man, y'all look out y'all window right now, look in the sky. It's a whole planet in front of the moon right now. Facts. Okay, wherever you at, look out y'all right. Look, if y'all, wherever y'all at, man, share this live. Look out y'all window. They ain't gonna talk about this on the news. It's a planet in front of the moon right now. Go look at y'all window. Somebody said that's the shadow of the earth. Oh, okay. That's the shadow of the earth, huh? We supposed to be on the earth, but that's the shadow of the earth, huh? Okay, yeah, you right. Let him who has eyes see clearly, man. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, let him who has eyes see clearly. All right, you could think that's a shadow, that's the Earth shadow all you want to. All right, that ain't no eclipse or none of that. You know what I'm saying? They ain't saying nothing about no eclipse today or none of that. So why is it a whole planet in front of the moon right now? All right, you can see this shit clearly, and we not that far. Like, you know what's so crazy, y'all? Remember I told y'all we rising in dimension, so the sky gonna look closer. The sky's looking closer. This shit looks so crazy right now, from my perspective. And we got clear skies tonight, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? We got clear skies tonight down here in Atlanta. All right. So what y'all need to know is October 20th is literally right around the corner. Very powerful energy is finna hit this planet. This is what I was telling y'all about. And what y'all seeing right now is one of the planets in front of the moon that's going to be responsible for this solar energy hitting the planet on the 20th. This is what I'm telling y'all to meditate as much as y'all can, all right? And as we get closer to December 21st, y'all will see the second sun in orbit, which is already in orbit, but y'all gonna see it lock into our atmosphere. All right, so don't get scared. This is all part of the what they're calling a polar shift and the dimensions emerging. All right. So I'm not gonna keep y'all too long because I wasn't trying to do all that. You know what I'm saying? But y'all can see it behind my head though. I wasn't trying to do all that, and y'all see it's clear skies where I'm at with it. You know what I'm saying? So I was trying to show y'all I gotta be aware, pay attention. All right, so definitely tapping and tuning with y'all selves. Peace to the guys and goddesses. Love.